शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। शुक्ल अंबरधरम, शुक्लांबरधरम is a compound word. Dharam dhas mahapranah. Vishnum, shashivarnam is a compound word. Chaturbhujam is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Prasannavadanam is a compound word. Dhyayet dhamahapranah. Sarva vighna upashantaye, sarva vighnopasantaye is a compound word. Vighna ghas mahapranah. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopasantaye. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda is a compound word. Mahakaya is a compound word. Suryakoti Samaprabha is a compound word. Bhas mahapranah. Nirvighnam ghamahapranah. Kuru me deva sarvakaryeshu is a compound word. Sarvada. Vakratunda mahakaya suryakoti samaprabha nirvighnam kuru me deva sarvakaryeshu sarvada. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnur, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guruhu, Visarga changes to Repha. Brahma, Gurur Brahma, Guruhu, Visarga changes to Repha again. Vishnuhu, Gurur Vishnuhu, because of Sandhi. Vishnuhu, Visarga changes to Repha again. Guruhu, Vishnur Guruhu, because of Sandhi. Guruhu, Visarga changes to Repha. Devaha, Gurur Devaha, again because of Sandhi. Devaha becomes Devo because of Sandhi. Maha Ishwaraha, Maheshwaraha is a compound word. Guruhu, Visarga changes to Su there. Sakshat, Guru Sakshat, because of Sandhi. Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave is a compound word. Namaha. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnur, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hetave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayannumaha. Sat, tu changes to ch. Chit, Satchit, tu changes to d. Ananda, Satchidananda Rupaya is a compound word. Vishwa Utpatti, Vishwotpatti, Adi, Vishwotpatyadi Hetave is a compound word. Tapatraya Vinashaya is a compound word. Shri Krishnaya is a compound word. Vayam Numaha. Satchidananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hetave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. Janmadyasya yatonvayaditarataschaartheshvabhignaswarat tene brahma hrida य आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि. Janma adi. Janmadi is a compound word. Asya. Janmadyasya because of sandhi. Yataha. Anvayat. Yatonvayat because of sandhi. Anvayat, the th changes to the because of sandhi. Itarataha. Yatonvayad itarataha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to shu there. Cha. Yatonvayad itaratascha because of sandhi. Artheshu. Chartheshu because of sandhi. Thas mahapranah. Abhignyah. Chartheshwabhignyah because of sandhi. Bhas mahapranah. Visarga changes to su there. Swarat is a compound word. Chartheshwabhignyas swarat. Tene brahma hrida yaha. Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Adi kavaye is a compound word. Muhyanti yat surayah. Tejovari mridam is a compound word. Yatha, thamaha pranaha. Vinimayaha becomes vinimayo because of sandhi. Yatra, trisargaha is a compound word. Amrisha, trisargo mrisha because of sandhi. Dhamna, dhamaha pranaha. Swena, sada, nirasta kuhakam is a compound word. Satyam, param, dhimahi, dhas mahapranaha. Janmadhyasya yatonvayaditarataschaर्थेष्वभिज्ञस्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदाय आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत्सूरयः तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि.